Ready to amplify your trading potential but also understand the risks? Let's dive into cross-margin on Bybit in just 90 seconds. First, head over to the Bybit trading interface for your chosen contract, like BTC, USD. Look for the margin mode selection. Usually located near the order placement area, it might currently display isolated margin. Click on isolated margin, and a drop-down menu will appear. You'll see two options, isolated margin and cross margin. Select cross margin. A pop-up window will appear explaining the details of cross margin. This is super important. Make sure you read and understand the risks involved before proceeding, as cross margin utilizes your entire available balance in that cryptocurrency to avoid liquidation. Once you've understood the risks, click confirm to switch to cross margin mode. Notice that the margin mode now displays cross margin. This confirms that you are now trading in cross margin mode. Next, set your desired leverage. Remember, higher leverage means higher risk, so manage it responsibly. Choose a leverage that aligns with your risk tolerance and trading strategy. Now you're ready to place your trades. Input your desired order type, size, and price. Double-check all the details before confirming your order. And that's it. You're now trading with cross margin on Bybit. Remember to always manage your risk carefully and stay informed about market conditions. Happy trading.